Hi, I'm Nikki, your English coach here on Speak Like This. If you want to speak real, practical English that people actually use, you're in the right place. First one, what's up? It's super casual, perfect with friends. Say it like this. Hey, what's up? Don't say this to your boss or a stranger in a formal setting. Now you try. Say it with me. What's up? Next, how's it going? Friendly, relaxed, great for coworkers or casual chats. You can reply, pretty good, or not bad. Let's say it. Try this one. Hey there, it's warm and inviting. You can use it to start a convo without asking a question. Perfect for messaging or when bumping into someone you know. This is a shortened version of how are you, but we say, how are ya? It's relaxed, American, friendly. Say it casually. Hey. This one's perfect if you haven't seen someone in a while. How have you been? Equals Spanish. Como has estado? It shows you care and it's super natural. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What's up? How's it going? Hey there, how are ya? How have you been? Want to speak like a native? Then practice with me every week. Comment below, what's your favorite way to say how are you? Subscribe and turn on the bell so you can speak like this every day.